Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to send money from GCash to PayPal, so let's start. Directly you can send to GCash from GCash to PayPal, but there is another way to do it, and it's by a PayPal payment format. So how you can do it? So first you have to go to the PayPal page as you can see here, and then just go to the option that says pay and receive payments. So just go there, and there you have the option here that says payment format. Just click here on create and manage a payment format. Just click here, and as you can see here, I don't have any payment format in my case. Well, my app is in Spanish, but the same tips are in English. Okay, so you have here a new button that says create a new one. Just click here and you have a payment format, a budget, etc. So just click here on payment format. Here on payment format, you have to write the name or the email address from the person. You can add more clients or more people here. So here on what are you paying, you can add the name of the article. In this case, I add this name. You can add an address if you want, or you can add another charges. You can add a tax, etc. So then just scroll down a little bit and you will find here notes, and you can add files if you want. You can add policies, and also you can add a reference number or a personal note if you want. After you add everything, you can add files to this one. So in the right side you will find all the information that you just add in the left side. You can add here the address, everything. Okay, so you will find here the payment. You can add the preview from mobile. You can find here, and you find how you can pay, and here you will find that says debit or credit card. So of course you have to have a GCash card for paying with it, so there is no problem with that. And then you can find also the preview by email. So when you send it, the person will receive it, or in case if you are yourself, you can receive the same email, and you can pay to this person only adding your credit card or debit card from GCash. So that's how you can pay or receive money from GCash to PayPal with any problem and easily. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.